Hey guys, today I'm making the easiest Victoria sponge cake. The first step is to add all the ingredients into a bowl. So start with your softened butter, then add in the sugar, vanilla, baking powder, eggs, milk, and flour. Use a mixer on low and mix everything together till smooth and creamy. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl and make sure everything is mixed together well. Then divide the batter between two greased cake pans. Spread the batter out evenly. Then run a knife around the edges of the pan. This will allow the cakes to rise more evenly. Bake in a 180-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. While the cakes are in the oven, add your cream into a bowl and beat on high till it forms stiff peaks. You could add in sugar or vanilla. I just prefer the cream to be plain. Place the cream in the refrigerator till needed. Remove the cakes from the oven and allow them to cool slightly, then transfer them onto a wire rack. Use a serrated knife to cut off the dome on one layer of the cake. Then place the layer onto your serving plate and spread on your cream. You can spoon on the jam, but I've added mine into a Ziploc bag, and then you can just add on as much or as little as you prefer. My kids don't eat jam, so I'm only putting it onto half of the cake. Add on the second layer and dust lightly with some icing or powdered sugar. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!